Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the Curriculum Vitae application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings or menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings, which is the first option, and tap on language, which is now set to English, but if you scroll down you will be able to see that there is a bunch of options. All you have to do is clicking on the relevant one, and then the language of the application will be updated automatically. So feel free to go back to this section whenever you want to change the language of the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.